Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create a shortcut to the announcement group in your WhatsApp community. This feature is incredibly useful for quick access to important updates and notifications. Let's dive right in with this simple, step-by-step guide. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a Communities tab. It's usually the leftmost icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Find the one you want to create a shortcut for and tap to open it. Inside the community, you'll see a section called Announcements at the top. This is where admins share important messages for all community members. Tap to open the Announcements group. Here's where the magic happens. In the top right corner of the Announcements group, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those dots to open a menu of options. From the menu that appears, select More. This will bring up additional options for managing the group. Finally, you'll see an option that says Add Shortcut. Tap on this, and voila! You've just created a shortcut to your community's announcement group. Now, whenever you want to quickly check for any new announcements, you can simply go to your home screen and tap the newly created shortcut. It's that easy. Remember, staying up to date with your community's announcements is crucial, and this shortcut will help you do just that. No more scrolling through multiple screens to find important updates. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.